Hi friends, welcome in my little bird room again. Today I'm gonna make a short tour with all my birds because I don't make this kind of video from sometimes and a lot changes in this bird room. So let's start from here. I'm gonna make the focus manual because it's hard with this kind of light. Those are the long tails. They have 2 chicks in the nest from 4 eggs, but it's up there and it's hard to show them. I will show them when they're a little big. Under them I have my best pair of societies. They have in the nest 3 chicks from red-headed. I will try to make a sneak peek because they are already big and I don't want to escape in the bird room. They are 1 male and 2 females. Already big, ready to fledge. Under them I have another pair of societies. They have in the nest 5 chicks, 4 societies and 1 zebra. Already big. Down here I have another pair of societies, also good parents. They have in the nest 4 Gouldians chicks, already big. I guess there will be 2 yellows, 1 silver and 1 green. Beautiful chicks. Can't wait to see them on the sticks. Up there I have a pair of cutthroat finch. This is the male. The female probably is in the nest. They have eggs again. They raise by themselves 2 beautiful chicks, 2 little females. They are a good pair who raise natural the chicks. Under them I have a good pair of starfinches. They raise by themselves their chicks. They are very good parents. I will pause the video because I want to check the nest and see the chicks. Those are the chicks. Very beautiful. I love them. I guess I have a few 5 and I'm very happy. I put my ring on them, so probably they will stay with me until in December when the shows start. Good parents. I will put the nest up again and I will continue the video. Alright, the nest is up. the male, the father, look inside to see if everything is fine. Very good parents, very good parents. I love them. Okay, let's continue. Under them I have a male strawberry finch, but I have it from almost 2 years, and from 1 year it's alone, not very good on feathers. I'll separate him, give him some vitamins in water, and maybe if everything is alright, he will be alright. Here I have a little female, white, long tail. I put her separate because some other birds pick her feathers and I want to be alright. Down here I have my pair of red-headed finch. They are the parents of red-headed chicks from this pair. They had another clutch, another fertile clutch with 4 eggs, but when they hatch they get scared, I guess, or something, and they don't want to raise their chicks. It's a common problem. It's alright. That's why I have the societies for helping me in these cases. Up there I have a pair of very hard to film Cuban finches. They are beautiful birds, but very fast and small, and I can't focus them and film them right. But they are one of my favorite birds. They have 2 nests. I don't know what they have there because I don't want to check them, to disturb them. If something appears, I will show. Under them I have a pair of Java finches, Java sparrows, Java finches. I put the nest for them, but they are not into condition to breed. Don't know why. Here I have a pair of cutthroat finches. Under them I have my Australian finches. Majority of them are born here, are hatched here. Yellow chicks from Gouldian, one blue, one star finch, long-tail finch, one female of cutthroat. They are very young, nothing mature plumage. I like how they will develop. Down here with bed light I have my old long-tail finch, a female of Cubans, one big male, very big male of zebra. Generally spare birds because I don't find for them a pair. This is a star finch, and in back it's a Burke female. It's a good mother, but I don't have for her a male, and it's hard to find. Here I have a pair of Javas, a very old female. Not good. This is not her best condition. a young male. Here I have the diamond dove family, very cute birds. I love them. This is the chick. This time they have only one. Nice cute one. This is the female and the male is there. Very good parents. But this time the chicks from the last clutch disturbed the female from sitting and only one egg hatched. Down here have some nice color societies. I keep it for myself, but I think I will sell them. I have a lot and I don't want to overcrowd the room. In the same cage I have the chicks from diamond doves from last month and the month before last month. They are beautiful. They start to be like adults. I guess this is the male. Down there the female. I love them. They're very cute. They're very cute birds. Alright. Up here I have the family of silverbills. There are 3 males and 2 females. Cute little birds. Not so colorful, but I love them. Under them are a lot of chicks. Zebras, not really chicks, they are youngs. Zebras, long tails, and 1 societies, and 1 cutthroat finch female. Majority are with ring, and probably I will keep some for the shows, for December shows. And down I have a pair of red-headed with my sick female. She is sick from long time. I say sick because she's very skinny on the chest. It's very skinny. She's very skinny on the chest. Alright. So this is it. This is my little bird room with all my birds. I don't have very much. I sold a lot. I sold my African finches, lots of Guldians, lots of stars, lots of long tails. But you know, the space is very small and I don't want to overcrowd the room because it's not good. Alright, I will finish the video now. Thank you for watching. Take care of birds and see you next time.